In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp Signup and Popup form in WordPress. Whether you're building your email list for a small business, a blog, or a passion project, adding a Mailchimp form to your site is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and grow your community. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log into your WordPress account, access the dashboard, integrate a Mailchimp Signup form, and customize it to match your website's branding. Let's get started. First things first, open your favorite web browser and go to www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your WordPress account, so it's an important first step. If you're using Google to log in, go ahead and select the Continue with Google option. Alternatively, if you're not planning to use Google, you can enter your username and password manually. Keep in mind though, if you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in before continuing. Once you're ready, choose the Google account that's associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be logged in. Now that you're inside your WordPress account, let's navigate over to the dashboard. This is the control center of your website where all the editing magic happens. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find the Quick Links section. Look for the Edit Site option and click on it. This will take you directly into the site editing environment where we'll begin setting up your Mailchimp Signup form. Once you're in the site editor, it's time to add the Mailchimp form to your page. Look up to the top left corner of the screen and you'll see a plus icon, also known as the Add Block button. Go ahead and click on it. Depending on your WordPress theme, this button might also appear in a slightly different location, so if you don't see it in the top left, check where your theme places it. This feature allows you to add new content blocks to your page or post, which is a critical step for customizing your site. In the search bar that appears, type in Mailchimp. This will bring up the Mailchimp block, which is specifically designed for creating a sign-up form. When you see it in the results, click on the Mailchimp block to add it to your page. This is what will create the space for your visitors to sign up and join your mailing list. Next, let's work on customizing the Mailchimp sign-up form so it perfectly matches the look and feel of your website. Once the Mailchimp block is in place, you can adjust its settings to align with your brand's style and aesthetic. Take some time to tweak the layout, colors, and fonts to ensure the form blends seamlessly with the rest of your site. This is important because a well-designed form not only looks professional, but also encourages more visitors to sign up. After you've made all your adjustments, make sure to review your changes carefully. When everything looks good and functions properly, don't forget to save your work before exiting the editor. Saving ensures that your form is live and ready for your site visitors to use. And there you have it. In this video, we covered how to log into WordPress, access your dashboard, add a Mailchimp signup form, and customize it to fit your site's branding. Now your visitors have an easy way to connect with you and join your mailing list. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.